so small and skinny. And when he comes to our park, he has small body but big belly.
Which one?
Not normal.
Small body, big belly. What worm?
That's not open worm.
They must eat things that just kill the worms naturally. Yeah.
I think because where he stays is kind of like many of the bugs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fly. And his mom not so healthy, like not so much milk.
How old is she?
Danny around 40, 46, 47.
I love it that the mud stays on their back.
Yeah.
Just sits there.
Yeah.
Something.
Well, I don't know. Ask Apple.
Apple, how do you tell how old they
For the young one who came here, we got the paper. Before let we buy them, like have to follow them story, like there is a real owner or not, or they in the elephant trade. Yeah, so we have a paper to tell like how old are they, but some who very old and also rescue from the jungle, we average. Yeah, and our vet check by them too.
Teeth.